Let's in our post list component. Press Ctrl, click here. Inside the post list, let's go to postcard now, another Ctrl click. Let's create our button inside it to keep it organized. Let's put it next to our name. Let's copy the author down with name. When I have the author, we can put a button here with on-click. I'll put a console for now, just so it doesn't give an error, and here in the text, it would be delete post. Can also use the button component itself here, which already receives text and an on-click. Let's go here, press Ctrl space, and it will ask if I want to export. I'm already sending the function, and now it takes the text, which will be delete post. Let's close it here and keep the component small. We can see that user 1 can delete all posts, right? And that's not what we want. So, we can get the user from the post plus the logged in user. Then separate the user post.id. And we check if it is the same as the user ID logged, and the copilot has already given a helping hand. So we put it to check, and if it really equals rendering what we need. Let's check now. You can see that it has changed. Now you have 2 posts and the delete button only appeared on those posts. Let's create this delete function above, similar to the one we already have here. Then copy one and paste it below. And change the name to handle click delete post. Remove this function to not open the modal. And let's call it, instead of where the console is, inside the function. So here, it will call this function. But we haven't created it yet. Let's do it like we did with create post. Here it is inside the hook use posts. Press Ctrl click. I'll go up and we can see that create post has an asynchronous function. Let's do something similar with our deletion. Create an asynchronous function delete post, and we will pass the post ID. Inside it, comparing with another. We were getting this function from post service. We have to go there too, create a delete. We could create it here, but let's keep the class default. First, let's put const success delete post, which receives an await from the post service. Now let's create post delete be the same. I'll even change it here. It's uppercase, it's lowercase. So let's put the name the same. Then passing posted to service post delete post. We still don't have anything. Putting return here just to maybe use it later. Now press Ctrl click on post services. As you can see, we don't have delete here in the class. Let's create it in the same way we did with the others. Let's pass async here, which is delete post. And here we will do our famous try and catch to minimize errors. Const res receives await API, which we already have here, will be a delete. Let's see the root. Let's go to our Swagger document, which is already ready here. Search/post oops. Error. The data here in front. Post. Let me see if I saved my favorites here. I think I did something wrong. Let's see if it works now with post/. It was just called the wrong documentation, post the slash. I think I was calling the dev bar here at the beginning. So, we have delete and delete by ID. Will return just a message for us. So, let's put the template string in there, our delete root. Let's do a template string. Let's minimize this here. I can't see anything. There you go. Better now. So, we have to put post/, and here comes the ID of the post we have. And if this is working now, just put return. It brings a message. We can return something with that. Let's return this message. Return res. I'll save it here. Returning here to the delete call to check if anything was missing. So I'm passing the ID inside the delete. I missed calling the function below too. Let's call our function here so we can send it in the user post hook and save. Now back on postcard, we have the delete function, which we will call here inside, and we can pass ID. It needs the post ID. We have it up here. Let's send it straight to the delete when we click. So far everything seems okay. Let's see if we can delete it. If it's working, we'll also add a toast.